How do you use get, post, put, delete with JavaScript fetch? Imagine you want your website to talk to a server and exchange data smoothly. The JavaScript Fetch API makes this easy by letting you send different types of requests. Today, we're going to see how to use the main HTTP methods with fetch, get, post, put, and delete. These are the building blocks for web interaction and development tools. Let's start with get. It's the simplest way to ask a server for data. When you call fetch with a URL, it automatically makes a get request. For example, if you want to get some data from an API, you just write fetch and give it the URL. The response from the server can be turned into JSON with response.json. This is how you retrieve data without sending anything extra. Get requests don't need a request body, so they're quick and straightforward. Now, moving to post. This method is used when you want to send new data to the server. Think of it as creating a new record. With fetch, you specify the method as post and include your data in the body of the request. Usually, you turn your JavaScript object into a JSON string using JSON stringify. You also set the headers to tell the server what kind of data you're sending. For example, if you're creating a new user, you send their name and age as JSON. The server then processes this and responds with confirmation or the created data. Next is put. It's similar to post but used for updating existing data. When you send a put request, you include the updated data in the body, again as JSON. The URL usually points to the specific resource you want to update, like a user with a certain id. The server then replaces or updates that resource with your new data. This is handy for editing user profiles, settings, or any resource that needs changing. Finally, delete is used to remove a resource from the server. Usually, you just need to specify the URL of the resource you want to delete. You set the method to delete and send the request. There's no need to include a body in most cases. The server responds with a status indicating if the deletion was successful. You can check response OK to see if it worked or handle errors if it didn't. Remember, fetch returns a promise, so you can handle responses with an and catch, or use async and await for cleaner code. For example, after a fetch, you can parse JSON data or check if the request was successful. Using these methods makes your web pages interactive and capable of dynamic data exchange. Whether you're retrieving data, creating new entries, updating existing ones, or deleting resources, fetch simplifies the process with clear, promise-based syntax. This approach is a core part of mastering JavaScript for web development, helping you build more responsive and data-driven websites.